Okay, Assalamualaikum, and today I will explain to you about a firewall, what it is, what is the function, and what it is made of. So, firewall has been exist in many years ago and act to prevent fire spread, smoke, and also gases between a space. Commonly, firewall made of different type of brick that may withstand a high temperature and will not be affect the structure of the building. Before I'm going too far, I'm gonna tell you the differences between fire barrier in Malaysia and the other country, especially European and USA. As we can see in movie or other platform, houses at USA or European country use a different type of firewall in their house. It is because they are using some type of partition that made of a dry wall. This type of partition doesn't use a firewall to withstand the fire that may occur, but they are using some kind of sealant that act as insulation and also a fire barrier. However, they are also using firewall that made up of brick, as we can see how the fire are only burned inside the house. However, in Malaysia, firewall that is a specific fire barrier that used to withstand a fire that occur. We can see mostly on Malaysia houses, especially terrace houses, how the construction made the firewall all the way up from the floor to the ceiling. If you wanna see, you can climb up into your house ceiling and check. There are excess of brick wall that installed on purpose to act as a firewall. Fire commonly burn upward, and ceiling is the most easiest way to burn faster than the other parts. So to prevent from spread and destroy all the houses, firewall is needed. But in Malaysia, if we see a house is burned down, the other house that beside it is strong and not be affected. So that's all.
Fire doors are a crucial component of building safety, specifically designed to prevent the spread of fire and smoke within a structure. These specialized doors are built to withstand intense heat and flame for an extended period, providing valuable time for occupants to evacuate and for emergency service to arrive. Fire doors are made from fire-resistant material, such as steel or solid wood, and are occupied with fire-red glass, seal, and hardware. They are typically installed in locations where fire compartment or fire barrier are required, such as stairwells, corridors, and escape routes. The purpose of fire doors is to compartmentalize a building, dividing it into smaller sections to limit the spread of fire and smoke. In the event of a fire, the closed fire doors act as barrier, confining the fire to its origin and protecting other areas of the building. They can also hide the excess of oxygen, helping to starve the fire of fuel and slow down its progression. So their effectiveness, fire door must be properly installed, regularly inspected and maintained. They should be kept closed at all times, except when in active use. Fire doors are often equipped with automatic closing devices, such as self-closing mechanism and magnetic hold-up device, to ensure prompt closure in case of a fire. The design of fire door. It is important to remember that fire doors are not fireproof, but fire resistant. They are designed to withstand fire and smoke for a certain duration, known as the fire rating or fire resistant rating, which indicates the time a door can endure heat and flame before its structural integrity is compromised. In conclusion, incorporating fire door into building design and adhering to fire safety regulation and standard, we can significantly enhance the overall safety of occupants during a fire emergency. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ishaq Nakib and I'm from 3A. Today I would like to present about smoke curtains. Smoke curtains play a crucial role in fire safety by blocking smoke from entering and exiting through elevator doors, sealing of doorways and elevators, and forming independent perimeters around staircases and atriums where no walls are present. Second, what of the use of smoke curtains? The smoke curtain used to close off openings from standard doorways to larger atriums, divide the building into smaller spaces, and contain smoke to individual rooms, allowing for easier evacuation and quicker access for firefighters. Third, what of the way of mechanism work? The smoke curtains remain retract in their hidden housing until they are triggered by an alarm, detector signal, or manual switch at point that descends into their operation positions. Fourth, what are the difference of smoke curtains and fire curtains? There are some difference of smoke curtain and fire curtains. For example, fire curtains are used to provide fire separation between two spaces and prevent the spread of fire. However, smoke curtains are used as part of a smoke control system to stop smoke from reaching another zone of, or channel it through a particular route. It is important to note that smoke curtains and fire curtains have significant difference and are not interchangeable. In conclusion, overall smoke curtains are a critical component of building safety system, providing essential compartmentation, containment, and channeling from the effect of a fire. Finally, there are some pictures of fire curtains that placed at some space of the building.